It's Andreas here from Recreational Power Sports, where I like to talk about my seats, posts, pedestals, bases, and I like to mix and mash and kind of show you the whole deal. A lot of the times I get a lot of people that want to add a seat, or they have a jet boat, they're adding seats to their jet boats and not sure what to go with or how to make it all work. They don't want to trip over these big permanent posts, they want them removable. There's different removable systems to go with, but let's just start with the basics. Basically, you have your El Cheapos, economy style, very inexpensive systems, or just the permanent style for $44. From here, you can move up to, I call it the nicest upgrade, which is by Springfield. There's other styles you can go with. It's got a seat swivel on it. It's removable. You can move your seat to the front of the boat with the spider here. If you grab a seat post, you can just make this go to the front of the boat. Okay, you're done fishing for the day, you want to go, just take your seat, put it back on the driver's seat or the passenger seat. And the cool thing about this is it is adjustable, so you can just pull up and you can have different height for different people. This is more or less also a economy version seat base. They do make a heavy duty version for the drivers and passenger seats, which also have a passenger, we call it the spider or seat base, where the driver's seat can slide forward and back. You have manual adjustability. This is the power drive system, where it's actually an air shot, gas shot, like from Staples. It's pretty cool. It's got all the sound effects to go with it. So we really try to help out with that there. If you don't need it to be adjustable, they actually make a fixed height also, just a standard height here, where you can cut this down for different heights. Jet boat guys sometimes will just mount this onto a box and have the box open and closed so that they can get it to storage. Another cool thing is, if you do like your seat being able to move around, you can just go with the top surface mount or the countersunk, I guess. This one countersunks into the floor so you don't trip over it. This one you trip over, this one you don't. It's called the Taper Lock series or the plug-in style series from Springfield. There's actually the Atwood one here also. The reason why I actually carry so many is because the Taper Lock one is the only one that comes or offers an adjustable seat post. So it allows for small people and taller people really easily. It actually also allows you to, if you're at the front of the boat and you want to fish out the front, but your bow is sunken floor, you actually can raise this up to be higher up, and then you can put your feet on your cushions in the front and fish out the front of your boat. So I really like the versatility of this. Also, let's say you want to mount a table or a barbecue or anything else, just use a seat base and just modify it and add that for your barbecues. And we do barbecues and tables. So if you're a little MacGyver in you, and you can modify things, no problem. Quick and easy to stow, it's removable, it collapses down nice and small. The one other cool thing about the industry is they got the bolt pattern on all the seats mostly the same, so most of the seat bases will fit underneath the chairs nice and easily. So as far as that goes for that, or for a swivel, they have all the bolt patterns the same. So it's easy peasy switching it out and making it all work. So let's say you have a fishing boat and you want to just build a bench in the back, like a bass boat, let's say, and you want to be nice down low. So you can put this seat base in your bench with carpet, like a nice carpet. Add that to your seat, put your seat on there, now you're nice and low. You get to your fishing spot, now you want to be up higher, add the post in between here, add the post. Now you can fish up the side of your boat. You're done fishing for the day, you want to be nice down low, safe inside the boat, and this thing locks in place. Nice and easy. We actually offer the replacement back-to-back boat seats, but a lot of customers take these out of their boats. So once you take these out of your boats, we try to give you options as to what are you going to replace it with, and with what and how. Do you want to move it around? Do you want to fish? Do you want to just stay in one spot? So we have a lot of options here at Recreational Power Sports that we try to suit all your needs and try to help you figure it out. Thanks for watching.